Hello and welcome. Now, we've already discussed how you would create a template in order to use for future collaboration. Now, how do you take previously created templates and use them to be more effective in your teamwork? Now, again, the need for most templates will be team specific. So, there'll be things that you will need in order to get something done that you are uncomfortable with your efficiency. A team can get help from other templates that have been created before through Google searches. For example, if you were to search free Evernote templates, you'll find a number of results, and you can actually whittle this down by putting in or your team's specific need. In any case, you can find Evernote templates that have been created by other users for their business, and in some cases, it will help you and something that you were trying to do. In most cases, you will want to keep a library of documented procedures and processes for your team. These are going to be your previously created templates. Whenever you have a new team member, you like to have them use templates instead of recreating a process. So you want to have these templates, and this is a great way of being able to put the templates to use. Now, solo businesses typically don't have a formal onboarding process when someone joins their company or the team. But you can lessen the need for an onboarding program by utilizing the templates your team has already created. Now, concepts mentioned earlier in this course, such as naming conventions, those are great ideas for templates so that you'll show people how your team should be naming files, how your team should be naming documents. Now, this is because the team benefits from everyone handling similar situations in the same basic steps. The templates allow for the formation of special projects with specialized procedures and many times pieced together from successful tasks done in the past. Now, although your individual note stream in Evernote serves as a roadmap for the past, it's inefficient to create new procedures. If you had to search through all of the old notes in order to find something specific and to be able to piece it together to determine what to do in the future, that would take a long time and it would probably be almost impossible to do. Having a template in place, though, makes this process very easy. And as a result, the best way to create new methods and new processes is to use templates that have already been created and archived in your team area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.